Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to hack Subway Surfer with Lucky Patcher. So yeah, here we go. So first you have to, of course, click Subway Surfer, click open menu of patches, click create modified APK file, then click APK rebuild for in-app and level emulation, and then just click rebuild the app. And do not click the screen. So this is going to take a little while. So I'm just going to play music for why it's loading. This is by Justin Bieber.
And you were here. That was 5 ago.
Alright, this is Trust and Believe, but it's just an instrumental. And after that, all you do is I clicked go to file, and then you click Subway Surf .1.79.135.crk.support.apk, and then you uninstall and install. Wait, I messed up. I accidentally clicked something. So you click uninstall and install, and then uninstall. Wait for it to finish uninstalling, and then install. But do not touch the screen, because then you will just have to redo everything again. While it's loading, I'm gonna go close my door. Okay, it's almost done. Alright, I'll be back when it's installed. Okay, once it's installed, I just waited like a minute. So then you click open and wait for it to load through. I like the update. FYI, if you don't get updates when you hack it. So when you want when you want the updates, you just have to play on another phone or something, because you can't get the updates while on the hack. You only get the last update that you had. So I'm gonna cut the volume down. Well, I'll cut it down on there. So just do your birth. Okay. Okay. And then click play, of course. It's gonna make you play at first. So you just do what it tells you to do. Like usual, it just tells you to swipe up, swipe down. Make sure you get how to play. So I'll be back after like it tells me I'm done knowing how to play the game. Okay, so now I only have 5 keys and 0 coins, and I don't like that. So when you click it, it shows like the special deal and like 0.56, and it usually shows like how much it cost, but it doesn't show that. So like I want 5,000. No, I don't want that. I want, hold on. I want this. So click save purchase for restore and auto repeat purchase with the current setting. And click yes. And now I have it. And then click create if you want more keys. I click create of keys. Same thing and click yes. But then you won't be able to use the same thing over again. So you have to go back to Lucky Patcher. So I'll go there and I'll cut it back on. Okay, I'm back at Lucky Patcher. So it's like you're gonna redo it, but not really. So you would click this again, but you will not click open menu of patches. You will click tools and then click remove selected saved purchases and click delete and click delete. And then I'll see you when I get back to Subway Surfer. Oh wait, I could go right here. Launch app. So now I'm back. And now if I wanted to, I can buy it again. Nope, I don't want that one. I want to buy this one again. And I can buy it again now. And that's basically how it works. So yeah, I'm gonna post another video how to hack another game. So if you guys want to go watch it, you guys can. Thanks. Love you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.